Alright, so do a little background on this. Had the air suspension go out. The entire front was on the ground. Still kind of is, as you can tell. Replaced the two front struts because they were blown out. The issue ended up being the relay, let's see, chassis system failure. So all of that, the two struts were now replacing the air compressor, which is underneath in the rear. But all of this was caused by a $10 relay that got stuck open, left the air compressor on, compressed all of the shocks until the front two blew out, and then eventually the air compressor stopped working as well. So is the $10 relay that got stuck open, caused all this damage. It's underneath there, but I'm gonna have to find a way to jack this up. As you can tell, there's not a whole lot of room on this thing, so jacked it up from down here, and it's actually easy enough to get to that I just put a jack stand underneath this just for safety, and I'm working on taking this off. It looks like so far it's going to be 4 10mm bolts. There's the first one I took out. There'll be another one right here. And another one over here. And one down there. And you can see where my jack is over there. So just to give you an idea of where the compressor is, so once you put it on high mode and disable the adjustments, actually do that, otherwise you'll screw this up again. Go under here, you look, the back panel's been taken off, some of the air lines there, but this right here is the compressor. There's 3 lines that plug in there, just air lines, 2 are out, 1's in. And there's 2 wires that hang off there. The easiest way to mount it is just take it off of its bracket. Go ahead and mount the bracket, and then put the compressor back on the bracket. Otherwise, it'll be impossible for you to mount in the way. You can remove this back panel, this back bracket right here that goes between the exhaust two. It may give you a little bit more room on it. You can do it without it. It's just as easy.